Hello dear students, I am here back to continue your topic that we are learning about the food, is it right? So last class we have learned different nutrients of the food, as like we have learned about the proteins, carbohydrates, fats and vitamins. Even also we learned about the minerals, is it right? We learned more about that, how these are very important, very useful for us, is it right? So all these proteins and then carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, is it right? Proteins, fats, is it right? So all these very important to our body, as we have learned in the previous class. So one more nutrient that we are forgetting to discuss, that is very important nutrient, that is called as water. Which one? Water. See dear students, this water is very important for us. More importantly, we have to understand here, half of our body weight is depends on the water. So what food, different types of fruits and different types of the vegetables, different types of the cereals, pulses, whatever we eat, it contains some amount of, some quantity of water, so which consumes by our body. And even you know that most of the functions depends on water, which is involving in our body. A number of functions will depend on the water, as like digestion of the food and then excretion, is it right? Blood circulation, transportation of different types of material. So idella saha tumba dependent, is it right? So ivella iga just to think of that about the mixer grinder. Nimma manalli amma chutney rubbta idre mixer grinder alli ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ರುಬ್ಬೋಗುತ್ತೆ alva. So that our digestive system is also like that only, which is very important for the digestion. The water is too important. And even we have to understand here, dear students, see the water which is as we are daily the water rid off from our body. So ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ವೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆ ನೀರು ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಕಣ್ಣೀರು ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, so when we are breathing and when the urine formation, so ನಾವು ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ ಹೋದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, so all these activities of our body, some water from our body gets off, so that we have to replace it. So how we have to replace it? What the water is which is rid off from our body has to be replaced. How it has to be replaced? By drinking water. I think you know that most of the doctors will suggest we have to drink more water, alva. ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಾವು ನೀರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ನೀವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡುವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಲಂಚ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ PE ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯು ಟು ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಮೋರ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? So why? Because it is very important for our body. So approximately we have to drink more than 2 liters per day. What? More than 2 liters per day. Okay, elders, so ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮದರ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು more than 3 to 4 liters ಕುಡಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು more than 2 liters ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಡೈಲಿ ನಾವು ವಾಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕುಡಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So I think you have learned about the water. It is also one of the beautiful aspect which is very important for our body. So let us learn another point, that is balanced diet. Balanced diet. So what is balanced diet? Dear students, just we have learned different types of the nutrients, is it right? So ನಾವು ದಿನ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 3 ಸತಿ ಅಥವಾ 4 ಸತಿ 2 ಸತಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 3 ಹೊತ್ತು ಬರೀ ನಾವು ಮುದ್ದೆ ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸರಿ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, 3 ಹೊತ್ತು ನಾವು ಬರೀ ಚಪಾತಿ ತಿಂದ್ರೂ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, 3 ಹೊತ್ತು ನಾವು ಬರೀ ರೈಸ್ ತಿಂದ್ರೂ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. So the food what we are eating, it has to be present all the nutrients. The food which is contain all the nutrients in a proper quantity, which is called as balanced diet. So ನಾವು ತಿಂತಿರುವಂತಹ ಫುಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ತರಹದ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿಂದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಯಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಹ ಹಾಗೆ, ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಮ್ಮ ನನಗೆ ದಿನ ಚಪಾತಿನೇ ಬೇಕು, ಅಮ್ಮ ನನಗೆ ಚಿತ್ರಾನ್ನ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಹಠ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಉಪ್ಪಿಟ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆ ತರ ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ತಿನ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ತಿನ್ನಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು, ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆರಲ್ಸ್, ಪಲ್ಸಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ತರಹದ ಕಾಳು. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಉಪ್ಪಿಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದು ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಪಲಾವ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ತೆಗೆದು ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ all different types of vegetables, all different types of food items, which is very useful for our body. Then we can get our body as a balanced way. Okay, dear students, so this is about today, and we are going to learn more than it tomorrow about the food and how the cooking of the food, and even also preservation of the food, which we are going to learn. Okay, I am sending you today's homework. Read it and write neatly, and almost listen this class curiously. Then you can able to discuss with me if any have any doubts. Okay, thank you. Take care, everyone.